You're going to love this tea. Apparently, purple basil, but I'm thinking any kind of basil. Basil tea is a natural remedy for cough. I heard it from so many people. Haven't tried it, but hopefully, God forbid, I need to try it for cough. But as a refreshing and very healthy drink for the summertime, basil tea is very unique and so good. All you need to do, you have this basil, purple or green, I don't think it really matters. The flavor and fragrance is the same. Hot boiling water and some patience for it to brew and cool down. What you do, you put your basil or basil leaves. This is enough. Probably 5, 6, 7 leaves to 1.5 to 2 cups of water. Let's say hot boiling water, of course. And strangely, purple basil from here, like from Los Angeles, California, America, is different than in Armenia. In Armenia, purple basil, when you make the tea, it turns out nice purple color. This one is completely different, but I'm sure the benefits won't change. Whether it's from Armenia or from where, or maybe they do change, to be honest. So this is on the side. This one I brewed in the morning. What you do? In this jar I have ice. I'll add some not very good looking lemons. Let me see if this one is good enough. No, not very good enough. I probably told you the story about heat and lemon tree being affected. Okay, this looks much better. So what you do, a couple of lemon slices, ice. If you like it sweet, I go with agave nectar. Go with sugar if you like, or anything. Any natural sweetener will work. And the tea. Oh, I forgot to squeeze some lemon, by the way. Let me squeeze the lemon. And see, when you see the same tea made in Armenia, the color is completely different. It's purple. Okay, I'll put a couple of leaves to make it look like basil tea. And when you add the lemon, the color slightly gets better, more basil-y. And I'll give this a good shake. I just remembered, I made these ice cubes. Simply place some lemon slice and freeze it. It's very good for summertime teas. So I'll add my ice cubes and taste my tea and be happy. That's it. Let's put another one. This was it. No recipe needed. Just wanted to share this with you in case someone, just like me, I found out about this tea a year ago. I had no idea there is such a good, refreshing, beautiful and flavorful tea. Cheers!